Listen, we need the rain. That's good for us,
And
right?
the telethon's inside, so this is good.
Right.
We're protected.
Yes, and we're not going to be looking at a lot of rain tomorrow, but gradually increasing as we head toward the weekend. Weekend plans, not so great. Let's walk over to the wall. That's my official
okay.
Yeah.
It's very meteorological of you.
It is. Got to be all the sciencey stuff up in here. Walking over to the wall, show you what's happening out there. The Poconos, cloudy skies there, cloudy skies in Philly, cloudy skies at the shore. That's what we have right now. An overcast start to your Tuesday. It's going to be an overcast finish. It's not going to be a rainy finish, although there could be a spotty sprinkle, couple drops on the windshield. That would be it. Right now, the cloudy skies are right on top of us. They started to come in early this morning. All that sun that we had yesterday, at least for the first half of the day, that's gone. And most likely, we're not even going to see that for at least the next couple of days, maybe even all the way through the weekend. First system coming in right now, that is going to provide us with a few spotty sprinkles and showers. Maybe as far north as Delaware, could see a few just west of Philly as we head into the afternoon. Again, a gradual increase as we kind of open up the gates to get several systems in here, the strongest of which is going to come in by the weekend. So by 4 o'clock this afternoon, we got a little bit of a sea breeze. That's also going to help a little bit of a cooling effect for the Jersey Shore. But again, cloudy skies, the commute should be dry. One thing to note, though, with the winds picking up a bit and still very dry at the surface, we could potentially still see a couple of those fires like we saw in Burlington County yesterday. Keep that in mind. 9 o'clock tonight, cloudy. Overnight, cloudy. And as we wake up on your Wednesday, we're going to start things off springtime with clouds. By 10:58, we switch over to summer, and we could have a couple of sprinkles and maybe even a shower or two. There's noon on your Wednesday. The main event for rain, though, not until the end of the week. We really start to build this up. By Wednesday night, a few showers across South Jersey. And then let's talk about the end of the week, because several systems will come in, the strongest of which, as we talked about, by Friday, bringing us rain Friday, and then most likely a couple of thunderstorms as we head into Friday night, a chance for a couple of stronger storms on Saturday. And again, we'll continue that trend into Sunday. The one thing about Sunday, though, latest data indicates that we might have a little bit more sunshine. So the takeaways from all of this is that we'll have some late weekend showers and thunderstorms. Some drier periods on Sunday, so you might have a chance to get out for a little bit. As far as severe weather goes, we're watching for the ingredients to come together. It's not looking likely, but we're going to keep our eye on it for the weekend. Stay tuned. Also keeping our eye on Tropical Storm Brett right now with max winds of 40 miles per hour. Now, it is way out to sea, but we're going to continue to watch the track get a little bit closer as we head toward the end of the week to some of the islands of the Caribbean and eventually maybe just south of Puerto Rico. We'll keep our eye on that as well as Brett continues to potentially get close to a hurricane strength. We'll have to see. It hasn't strengthened a whole lot in the last 12 hours, so we'll keep watch on that. 80 degrees today, cloudy skies, staying dry, east winds at 5 to 10. Here is your 7-day forecast. In fact, the next couple of days are going to be kind of chilly. 72 on Wednesday, shower to our south, especially late day across southern New Jersey. A better chance for rain Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even on Monday, with temperatures slowly increasing with the southerly flow. That could add a few more areas of fuel to the fire and give us some storms, especially over the weekend. Overnight lows kind of sultry, upper 60s to near 70 degrees.
Thank you, Andrew.